Hello all, welcome back everyone. I think you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the story The Scholar's Mother Tongue from Unit 6 of our book Marigold for Class 4 English prescribed by NCERT. The main elements in this video are reading of the story, explanation along with new words and its meaning. This is a story adapted from Akbar and Birbal's story. The story tells us about the wisdom of Birbal, a minister in Akbar's court. Let us see how wise he was to win the challenge of a scholar. So let's start the lesson, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Here, the meaning of scholar is a person who is highly educated. So, this is a story about a highly educated person's mother tongue. What is the meaning of mother tongue? One's native language. Okay. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. So, children, one day a highly educated Brahmin person or a priest came to the court of Akbar. There he told the king Akbar and his courtiers. Courtiers means the people who attend the court as companions or advisors to the king. So here the priest told the king about his expertise over many different languages. Dear children, here this man was so intelligent that he knows so many different languages. He had mastery over many different languages. Okay, now go to the next paragraph. The Pandit could speak many different languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. In this paragraph, it is given that the Pandit could speak all different languages so fluently or so smoothly and easily that other people are unable to find his mother tongue. Mother tongue means what? One's native language. So, his fluency in all languages failed the other people to identify his mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. Dear children, do you know the famous advisor of Akbar's court was Birbal? When everyone failed in telling the mother tongue of the priest, then the Birbal accepted the challenge given by the priest. Okay, go to the next paragraph. That night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room. When he was asleep, he whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. So, children, what did Birbal do by accepting the challenge? He went into the Pandit's room when he was sleeping. He whispered into the Pandit's ear. Whisper means to speak very quietly using the breath but not the voice. He spoke something in very low voice into the Pandit's ear. Then he also tickled it. Tickle means what? To touch lightly with a finger or a feather. So here the Birbal tickled it with a feather. Due to this, Pandit got disturbed and shouted something in his mother tongue. Next paragraph. Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. So, next day Birbal came to the court and told everyone that Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Pandit was surprised. Who was surprised? Yes, the Pandit was surprised and he accepted that his mother tongue was Telugu. King Akbar then asked Birbal, "How did you find the truth?" Birbal answered, "In times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. So, in this paragraph, it is given that Akbar asked Birbal that how did he find out the truth. To this, Birbal told him everything, that how he went into the Pandit's room while he was sleeping and how he tickled him to know the truth. Birbal told Akbar that every person speaks in his mother tongue in the times of difficulty. Okay, children, I hope you like the story. Now, all the new words that we studied in the lesson are mother tongue, challenged, tickled, irritated. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.